Let's do pork chops on the grill. Come on with it. Now, before I do anything, I'm gonna take these pork chops, I'm gonna put them in a bag, and I'm gonna do a brine. Now, we're gonna take that Carolina holy water, and we're just gonna pour the whole bottle in and let them soak for a couple of hours. Let them soak for at least 2 hours. Now let's get them on the griller. Get them seasoned up. What I like about this Blazing Star rub, it's got a really good smoky profile. Seasoning is very coarse on it. It's got a really good all-around barbecue flavor. It's not loaded down with like applewood or peach. It goes great on everything. You're gonna go on your veggies, your chicken, your beef, fish, anything you can think of where you want that barbecue profile to taste. All around good, bold barbecue flavor. On the way for that, it's Georgia Dollar Jerky Club, Baby Blues barbecue jerky. Hogs of the trough, chows on. Bless this mess, y'all bow them heads. Heavenly Father, we thank you for the truth. We thank you for the way to take this mercy by, give us strength, keep us. Whoever is your prayer, amen. That dog right there, that'll hunt on son. It's good.